Hi guys, we are at Destin, Florida. So I'm with my family. And we stayed at the island. So I'm gonna show you what our hotel looks like. It's right there. See it? So we're waiting for the hotel to start giving tickets for the umbrellas. Wow. So it's our last day here. We came around 12-ish on Thursday. And this is our third day. And we're trying to enjoy the beach before we leave. So alright, I'm going back to get my water. Big wave. Whoa! I'm trying to vlog. Okay, oh, that's the boardwalk. We walked there last night. I think it was like a half a mile walk. Wave is. The waves here are nice. If you know how to swim.
Water.
Right. It's our last day here. We're leaving around noon. We're gonna check out. We're gonna have some seafood lunch today. We're not gonna have breakfast anymore because we just want to enjoy the water. Alright guys, see you. My second book is coming in hopefully September. So I'm gonna keep you posted and I'm gonna give you more vlogs when I can, right?